Hello friends, Tony here. Now in this video let's fix the links here. I'm going to remove the dashboard. Here when we click here we navigate to the dashboard, but I want to navigate to the home page. The events right now is going to navigate to the user events. I want to navigate to the /e and display all events there. The events on the home page I'm going to filter by the start date, so only the events who the start date is equal or greater than today is going to display here. The gallery, navigate right now to the user galleries, but I want to navigate to the /gallery and then display all the galleries we have in our database. So let's start and work with that. I'm going to open first the terminal and create two controllers. Artisan, make controller, and the name of the controller is going to be the first one, event index controller, is going to be invocable, and the second is going to be gallery index controller. Today's video is brought to you by Cloudways, a managed cloud hosting platform for PHP-based applications. So we have WordPress, Magento, Laravel, and PHP. Cloudways takes over all server management and security hassles to let you solely focus on your business. Their custom stack provides performance boost, managed backups that keep your app safe, and a staging environment that lets you test code without breaking live sites. Plus, pre-configured Composer and integrated GI make deployments a breeze, and you get a choice between 5 top cloud providers including DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, WSL, and GCI. With Cloudways, you not only get flexibility, but peace of mind. So if you are an agency or an e-commerce store owner, Cloudways is a great fit for all your managed hosting requirements. Don't forget to use promo code link in description. Invocable also this one. Let's clean and let's open now the VS Code. Okay, here first open the web routes and register the routes. I'm going to copy this and paste down there. And let me zoom it a little bit, yeah. Okay. The first one is going to be /e to display all the events, and here I'm going to use the event index controller class. The name is going to be event index, and then here let's make the gallery controller gallery index, so /gallery index, and the name is going to be gallery index also. Let's save, and first let's go to the welcome controller, and I'm going to copy what we have here and then open the event index. Let's remove the request here because we don't need, and I'm going to paste that in. Let's import the event from app models event here. I'm going to use pagination, and let's say paginate, and by default we'll say 12, and then let's return the view which is going to be event index, and we add the events here. Okay, let's save this. Now let's open the welcome blade, and this welcome I'm going to save as event index. Okay, now if I open the browser and navigate to the /e, hit enter, yeah, we have all events in that URL. Good. Now let's work with also the gallery. So I'm going to save this as gallery index. So let's say here gallery index, and here we need to say all galleries. Is going to make a for each galleries as $gallery, and for gallery we have only the image. So let's say and gallery image, and as a alt I'm going to add the caption. So gallery caption, and let's remove this div now. Yeah, this one we don't need. And in the both here and also on the event index, I forget to add links. So let's add the links here, and let's open the event index blade and also add links here. Good. Let's save. Now let's go to the gallery index controller. Also here remove the request. We don't need that. And let's say $sign galleries to be equal with, and use a gallery. And I'm going to say order by, I'm going to use a create a tab, but you can do what you like. And I'm going to have also pagination here. So let's say paginate by 12. And then let's return the view gallery index like this. And I think we are okay. Now let's see on the browser. If we navigate to /gallery, yeah, we have all galleries here. Now for the design, you can try and do your best. Let's fix now the links here. So for that, we need to open the main navigation. And here, first thing, when we click on the logo, I want to navigate to the home page. So let's say welcome, because yeah, the home page has the welcome name. Then let's remove this one, so the dashboard. And for the events, let's say event index, and for gallery index like this. Let's save and let's close, refresh. Now if I click here, we navigate to the home page, events, gallery. Now on the home page, I'm going to remove this, or let's say latest events, and filter the events. So let's do that. Let's open the welcome controller. And here I'm going to say where the start date is greater or equal with today. And let's save, and if I come here now and refresh, we have only this one. And let's open the table plus. Now this is Laravel US, and as you can see, the Laravel US with title has this date. Okay, now if I go to the dashboard and let's change the date of today event. Errors. Now let's say the start date today and update. Go to the home page, and now we have two of them. You need to see always store the date here. And if you go to the events and edit, if you don't see that date, you need to format based on the date is sorted in the database. Okay, so if I open the edit blade inside the resources views events, here is my format, year, month, day. You can change that. Okay, let's save, let's close this, and let's close this one also. So that's it about this video. We can do anything here. We fixed the links, we fixed the homepage, and here let's say not all events, but let's open And not all events, but latest events, I'm going to say. Okay, save, come here, and now we're okay. Good friends, that's it about this video. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget, if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. All the best.